Welcome to the heart of the United Kingdom, London, a city where royal tradition meets the future. If you are planning to visit in 2025, this travel guide will show you the best things to see in London, from timeless icons to exciting new attractions that are redefining the city. Let's begin our journey through the streets where history whispers through every brick and innovation glows on every skyline. First stop, Buckingham Palace, the home of the British monarch for centuries. In 2025, the palace opens special guided tours of the newly restored East Wing, including Queen Victoria's original ballroom. Don't miss the famous changing of the guard, where precision, pride, and pageantry collide in a perfect British moment. Just a short walk away is Westminster Abbey, where kings and queens have been crowned for nearly 1,000 years. As you stand under its ancient arches, you can almost hear the echoes of royal weddings and coronations that shaped Britain's destiny. Next, step into the modern world at the Shard, Western Europe's tallest building. Take the elevator up to the view from the Shard, where you can see all of London spread below, the River Thames winding through the city like a ribbon of light. Sunset here. Unforgettable. For art lovers, Tate Modern continues to dominate the South Bank skyline with new exhibitions blending technology and creativity. In 2025, they've launched a holographic art experience allowing you to literally walk inside the paintings. Now, let's head underground, not into the tube, but into London's secret tunnels. Hidden beneath the streets, the Mail Rail Museum lets you ride the tiny trains that once carried letters below the city. It's an airy, fascinating glimpse into London's invisible history. Hungry after all that adventure? Visit Borough Market, one of the city's oldest and most vibrant food markets. From sizzling street food to handmade chocolate, it's a feast for every sense. Try the truffle cheese toast, your taste buds will thank you. For something truly magical, take a journey to the Warner Bros. Studio Tour, the making of Harry Potter. In 2025, the studio has added an all-new Forbidden Forest adventure, complete with animatronic creatures and immersive soundscapes. It's not just for kids, every adult walks out grinning like a wizard. Next, travel east to Canary Wharf, where futuristic skyscrapers reflect in the glassy water below. This area is becoming the new digital hub of London, filled with light shows, smart cafes, and floating restaurants. It's the perfect contrast to London's old world charm. Don't miss Camden Town, still one of London's most eccentric and colorful neighborhoods. With its punk fashion, street art, and canal-side cafes, Camden feels like another universe. In 2025, the market expanded with new design studios and vintage pop-up stores, a paradise for trendseekers. As night falls, the London Eye spins quietly over the Thames. Book your ride at twilight, when the city lights start to sparkle like jewels. From up there, London looks both ancient and infinite, a city that never sleeps, never stops evolving. And for those seeking a touch of mystery, wander through Greenwich at dusk. Stand on the prime meridian line, where east meets west. It's a quiet reminder that every journey begins from somewhere and all paths eventually lead back to London. Dash. So, whether you are here for royal history, modern innovation, or just the charm of an afternoon tea, London in 2025 promises to be a destination like no other. Every corner tells a story, every landmark hides a secret, and every sunset paints a new memory. This is not just travel, it's time travel. Welcome to London, the city that never grows old.
StreetFrame Stories. Discover the world, one frame at a time.